Good morning, everyone. This is the chapter number 16, Playing with Numbers. Now, here in front of you, numbers in journal form. In this, we are going to learn how to make 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. What is the journal form of representing 2-digit or 3-digit number? So, in front of you, there is an example 52. Okay, so you can write 52 as 50 plus 2, and this 50 you can write as 10 into 5. So, you can write 52 as 10 into 5 plus 2. Now, similarly, you can take another number, that is 37, and you can write 37 as 10 into 3 plus 7. From these two examples, it is clear to you that the 2-digit number, suppose A and B, there are the two numbers A and B, and you have to make a 2-digit number from this two numbers A and B. So, you can write it as A into A plus B. Okay, 10A plus B. So, this is your journal form of 2-digit number. Okay, but if you want to write it as in a reversing order, so how you can write? You can write it as 10 into B plus A or 10B plus A. Okay. Now, in front of you, I am going to take example of 3-digit number, that is 351. So, you can write it as 300 plus 50 plus 1. That will be 100 into 3 plus 10 into 5 plus 1 into 1. Okay. Now, the similar 497 can be written as 100 into 4 plus 10 into 9 plus 1 into 7. So, in general, 3-digit number can be written as, suppose ABC is your 3-digit number. So, you can written it as 100A plus 10B plus C. Okay. And if we want to reverse this 3-digit number, then we can write 100C plus 10B plus A. So, this is the journal form of the 3-digit numbers. Okay, how you can write a 3-digit numbers and how you can reversing that 3-digit number. Now, the next one is letters for digit. Suppose for the digit we assume to put a letter. So, what is the rules for that? The first one is each letters in the person must stand for just one digit. Means one letter represent one digit. Each digit must be represented by just one letter. And if we want to represent one digit, then we can use only one letter. Okay, one letter represent one digit, and we can use one letter for representing one digit. The second rule is the first digit of a number cannot be 0. Okay, so the first digit of a number which we can assume that cannot be 0. Now, in front of you, you have to find Q in the addition. Okay, a sum is in front of you, that is 31Q plus 1Q3. Okay, that will be 501. So, how you can calculate the unknown number which is represented by Q? Okay. Now, in front of you, there is, firstly we have to take the unit place. Okay, firstly we have to take the unit digit, that is Q plus 3. How much we can add in 3 that we can get the unit digit as 1. Okay, so if we add 8, okay, if we add 8 with 3, then that will be 11, and in 11 the unit digit is 1. So, here we can take Q as 8. Okay, 8. Now, we can put the value. Okay, that will be 3, 1, 8, because here in the next digit again there is a Q. So, 1, 8, 3. Now, that is 1, 1. So, that became 0, 10, then 1, 4 and 5. Now, so like this you can find the value of an unknown number. Here Q equals to 8. Okay, there might be some other digit in place of q, but here 8 is possible just because it satisfies this condition also.